Hey everyone, this is Matt, and in today's video, I'm bringing you an unboxing video. That's right, I'm going to be unboxing something very special here today, which you'll see in a bit. So I definitely expected my uh, next unboxing video to be two cases of the Megatins. So I did pre-order two cases of Megatins. They're on their way. They haven't arrived yet. It's taking a little longer than I expected. Hopefully they arrive before my vacation. But yeah, so this package, which I bought relatively recently, surprisingly arrived sooner than the Megatins, even though the actual order of the Megatins was shipped out before this one. So I'm surprised that this came out. Anyway, so this is sealed. See, I just got this in the mail. So let's cut into this and see what we have here today. Um, oh man. Remember, always cut away from you, never towards you. For those of you doing unboxing videos at home or handling knives and other sharp objects at home. Like, whoa, why is this taking so long to cut? A lot of tape. They put a lot of tape on this thing. Okay, there we go. All right, so let's see what we have here. Oh, baby. That's right. You already see it. We have the Dark Magician Girl Ghost Rare. Oh, my goodness. So, obviously, this came out a while ago. This was, a release from Ghost from the Past 2. So yeah, y'all have seen me do my unboxing of my case from Ghost from the Past 2. Unfortunately, I did not pull one of these, so I figure, you know what, I'm gonna buy a single. I've been in the market for a single for a while, but because of the fact that Verde Anaconda got banned, I kind of like stopped playing Dark Magician outside of like just play testing or whatever. Well, so this car was a little expensive, but now the price has gone down. So if you're looking to buy, it's a pretty good deal now. Although you could always wait, and I'm sure it'll go down even more. I'm most surprised at like how cheap this was, because like when I bought my Ghost Rare Dark Magician, that cost me like three times as much as this one. So let me see if there's any factory obvious factory defects. Nope, near mint. So let's go ahead and sleeve this bad boy. Inner sleeve. Yeah, look at that. The only part that kind of sucks about this card is that it is the censored artwork, because TCG cards always got to be censoring, with the exception of the lost art. Well, yeah, very very beautiful. Yeah, I'm still a Dark Magician player at heart, even though I haven't done as much content. It's just one day this deck will make a return. As soon as Konami realizes that it doesn't take much support for the deck to be good, it just takes the right support, right? So they gotta stop putting out these stupid little cards that don't do anything for us and give us actual good support. So beautiful. All right, so take this sleeve because it's free. I'll put this back in, and then I'll slot it into my binder. Hopefully, I do get my Megatins in time before my vacation. By the way, I have, as some of you may have seen from my previous unboxing videos, I do have a Ghost Rare Dark OCG Dark Magician Girl. Now look at the lack of censorship on this one. Yeah, compare that to this TCG Dark Magician Girl. Yeah, exactly. I mean, they're both beautiful cards. But alas, I can't wait to get. Hopefully, I pull in the two cases of Megatons at least one of the Prismatic Rares Dark Magician Girl. I don't need a playset; just one is enough. But yeah, I've gone ahead and already have a spot reserved here for this one, and I'm gonna have to shift some cards around to make room for the Prismatic Rare Secret one. But anyway, this one will go right here, right next to uh, the OG Ultra Rare Dark Magician Girl, and of course the Lost Artwork Dark Magician Girl. This is actually the one I've been running, but now that I have the Ghost Rare, maybe I kind of have to run this one. But we'll see how nice the Prismatic Secret. I mean, the Prismatic Secret one is also censored, unfortunately. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Maybe that'll sate the thirst a little bit of some of you Dark Magician viewers who enjoy my Dark Magician content. Sorry I haven't put out as much. It's like, oh, didn't I tease that I was going to put out a Dark Magician deck list a while ago? I did. Why haven't I done it? Well, because there's been this thing called a ban list that's been looming over us for the past like month and a half, 2 months, and I don't know. Again, any Dark Magician deck profile I'm going to put out is going to contain Mystic Mine. That's just the way it is. It's going to have 3 Mystic Mine in the main deck. It's going to have a bunch of like, right? Because honestly, you can't really play Dark Magician the way you used to anymore because we lost Anaconda. Like, you kind of just have to just cheese with a lot of Floodgates and Mystic Mine to have any chance of winning. So any deck profile that does include Mystic Mine is kind of a waste of time. And Mystic Mine allegedly and hopefully is going to get banned very, very soon. So I'm kind of just waiting on that ban list before I commit to doing any more Dark Magician related stuff. But yeah, for those of you who've seen the Team Samurai X1's deck profile, um, he's got the right idea. He's got 2 Mystic Mines in the main deck, which is one fewer than he should have, and he has, that his deck profile has a bunch of other issues. Ghosty Lalza's, you know, deck roast of his. He goes over most of the problems. A lot of issues in the extra deck. He doesn't. His side deck is like I don't know, and then he has some other issues in the main deck. But yeah, but Mystic Mine main decking Mystic Mine Dark Magician is basically the only way you can actually win a locals. I'm not even saying like topping a regionals. You could probably win a locals if you get a little lucky. So, but then again, like all the tier limits players are like maining Eradicator and all these other the virus cards. So who knows, right? Maybe it's not even good anymore. Even that. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. Yeah, that was just something I wanted to share with y'all. Ghost Red Dark Magician Girl. Very excited for. I still am on the lookout for 2 copies of the Ghost Rare Sphere Mode for my Eldritch deck because I only have 1 Ghost so far. So yeah, so if any of y'all want to sell me one, hit me up. Right down in the comment section, and I'll try to get in touch with you. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video. Peace.